So we're going to be using, I found this fabric. I bought this, I think last year from Hobby Lobby. Y'all, I adore it. I love it. It has all the different little beehives and the little birdhouses turned into beehives. So we're going to be using that on a wood block, and we're going to be adding some of our beautiful bronze bling. I don't have a tape measure to show you. This is just a wood block scrap piece of wood that I had my husband cut. So we're going to go ahead, because this is the white fabric, you can still kind of see that natural color behind it. So we're going to give it a quick coat of white paint. So we're just using Waverly chalk paint in the color white, just white chalk paint. So there's our block. I did not grab a pen. Normally I would trace this on the back side of it, and I did not grab anything. So on this, this is the one, I love that one right there. So you want to, let's see here. We're going to line it up where we want it. Line it up where we want it. So I'm probably going to be doing a bow up there. Okay. So we lined it up where we want it, and I'm just going to flip it over, and I'm just going to trace it on that underside of that fabric. Okay, that's still a little damp, and then we're going to cut it out. So look, so all we're using is fabric, y'all. So if you see decorative fabric, you can decoupage with fabric. Okay, so let's see. I kind of like the hive also. That's cute. Okay, so again, we're just going to flip that over right where we want it. So how cute. So we've got the hive, and then we've got our little birdhouse over here. Okay. So we are just going to take some Mod Podge, some matte Mod Podge. See? Let's see. Okay. I'm actually just going to take this Mod Podge and just put it straight on there. If y'all won't see it, but look how sweet. I love it. We're going to go ahead and do both sides. Okay, so you've got your block, and it's decorated on both sides. So what I usually will do, let me cut that piece, is I'll come back around with my brush and coat those edges, and I just drag my finger down. I am going to go ahead and just slightly dry this. Okay, so we've got our block. But y'all, look at this ribbon, and I just thought it'd be so sweet. I picked this up at Hobby Lobby. It's not wired, but isn't that so beautiful? It's kind of like a braided jute almost, but then I just love that. So we're going to actually be putting this all the way around it. I'm going to go ahead and measure it out. So, I mean, y'all, with fabric and ribbon, look at that. So all the way around, how sweet is that? Okay, so this is the knob, y'all. You know, we all love the bling here. This is the knob. This came from Hobby Lobby. This we're gonna put on top, like so. And then we're only gonna be adding our bling to one side. Trying to decide. I think what I thought about, I know I'm adding this up here. I debated a bow. Let me go ahead and make one and then we'll decide. Okay, so I just took a piece of our ribbon. Easiest bow if you just want a simple bow. Or we could maybe do, because I have this one also. It's not wired, but look how sweet. Kind of has that eyelet, it has those little gray polka dots. We could kind of do like a little, maybe we'll try that. Let's just see. So. Let's just see. So I'm just cutting my pieces. And you could do this with as many or as little pieces as you want. I'm just thinking maybe we'll do like one of these kinds. That would be kind of cute. What do y'all think? You love the ribbon, so many different selections. What do y'all think? I know, isn't the scalloped edge so pretty? There we go. Y'all look. And you can fuss with it, play with it, whatever you want to do. I am going to be tying that. And if you have wired ribbon, that tends to work much better with these type of bows. Okay. And then we're going to take, I am going to cut these. I considered leaving these, but I don't think I am. So we just trim that off. I'm going to tack it a little bit more. All of these beautiful bees. The bees and the butterflies, oh my gosh, y'all, they just outdid, again, they just outdid themselves. Okay, so this is the knob we're going to be using. This is the knob we're going to be using. We're going to stick that right on top. That's why I'm saying I'm probably going to have to. I'm going to have to take this bow down a little bit more. Okay, that's cute. And we're gonna put some bling right there also. It's just a matter of which one. I love this. Look at the sparkle on that. But this one, I think we're gonna put it up next to that dark. I think it just makes it pop. And then you have this one that is just that beautiful bronze gold. So pretty. See that? Oh, so sweet. So sweet. And then we have, I'm trying to decide between these two. They're both so gorgeous. Both of them bling. This one has the big one. I think I might go with this one because it's the closest to our knob. Okay. Okay, look at that. How sweet is that? Okay, so I waited till last to add this knob because it is heavy. You can drill it. I did have a pre-drilled hole, but guess what? I didn't have my screw part with me. Okay, so there's our bow, and we're going to be adding this right on top. Probably when I get home actually screw that in because it's on that ribbon. It's kind of like, it's a little like, I'm not sure if I'm going to stay here. But you would just drill a little bit of a hole and you could screw it right in. You could secure it with some glue. But listen, how sweet is that? So this is our Butterfly and Friends collection. These are the bees out of the bronze collection. And y'all, we just used some fabric, some ribbon, and look, you have a decorative piece all the way around. If you have it on your tier tray, or if you have it sitting in the center of a table, it's decorated completely all the way around the project, and we just love that. I hope you loved it. I hope this inspired you to where if you see some fabric, grab it. Grab it.
Totally Dazzled sells sparkling rhinestone wedding supplies. Check us out at totallydazzled.com. But before you do, click up here and download our free Printable Sparkle Quotes. Or click down here and watch one of our other awesome tutorials.